In this video, I will show you some sure ways to get more useful connections on LinkedIn. Now, the first way is completing your LinkedIn profile. And you need to add a clear profile photo and a background picture for your account to look credible. You also need to add other things like headline, summary, education, current job title, work experience, and skills. The second sure way to get more connections on LinkedIn is inviting relevant LinkedIn users to connect with you. And you can start with your contacts, classmates, co-workers, or business partners. And you can also search for connections, or use the people you may know section, or use the LinkedIn open networks. Another sure way to gain more connections on LinkedIn is posting useful and visual content regularly, including on the LinkedIn Post platform. And this is a great way to show your expertise and experience and boost your credibility, thus drawing more potential connections to your account. The next sure way to get more useful connections on LinkedIn is joining LinkedIn groups. And it is recommended to join groups that are in your industry or with similar interests. And LinkedIn groups are great platforms where you can share your knowledge and build relationships. And there's also sharing your LinkedIn account to other platforms as another sure way to gain more connections on LinkedIn. And you can make use of other social media platforms, email platforms, or your website just to draw more potential connections to your LinkedIn account. In addition, you can gain more connections on LinkedIn by paying to promote your account on the platform. And you can make use of LinkedIn ads to place your account or content where most users can see it. And you can also make use of LinkedIn Premium to access more features that can help grow your account. And as a bonus, other ways to get more connections on LinkedIn include getting endorsements from your network, interacting with other users including liking and commenting on their posts, contacting users who viewed your profile, switching your account to follow to find followers and more potential connections, using keywords and hashtags in your profile and posts, tagging potential connections in your posts, making use of all relevant LinkedIn features, verifying your account on LinkedIn Lookup, and using automation tools to grow your account. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on LinkedIn and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.